Alphawavetrader. She specializes in a trading method that uses pure price action and Fibonacci techniques. So with her background, she has created a very unique trading strategy, and also which kind of incorporates the aspects that prices move based upon investor sentiment, is that her background, I guess, working at Johns Hopkins University or hospital, specializing in behavioral psychology. So that's also incorporated into her trading methods. So with that, we've got the honor of introducing Alla. Alla, welcome to the Candlestick Forum. We're very anxious to see what your techniques are all about.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jim. Thank you, traders. Thank you guys so much for being here. I look forward to the webinar. I look forward to sharing with you the power of Alphawavetrader method. But most importantly, please do prepare the instrument and time frame of your choice, because that would be the most exciting part of the webinar, discussing the instrument of your choice and discussing the levels, because Alphawavetrader method applies to any instrument and any time frame. As long as instrument has the price, Alphawavetrader method does apply. The presentation will be approximately 20 minutes. So again, the interactive session, question and answer session, is always the most exciting session for me personally, as analyzing price for me personally never gets old, for all the reasons I will share with you shortly. But first, let's do remember that US government requires, disclaimer, don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. And I must let you know that I'm a trader, strategist, and educator. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So therefore, everything I share with you for demonstration and educational purposes. So what makes Alphawavetrader method so unique? Alphawavetrader method based on pure price action. I use no software whatsoever. I use no indicators. I simply read pure price. So each and every trade I take based on pure price. Pure price tells me the inception of the trend. Pure price tells me the exhaustion of the trend. Pure price tells me about the weakness. Pure price show me the power. So each and every day when I trade, I come to the room and that's all I look at. In our trading room, I trade pure price. This is all I pay attention to. This is where price shows me powerful inception of the bullish trend. So let's measure what oil had been saying since 10 a.m. EST. Very critical and very powerful to know these levels. Decision point 1, always the first target, the end of the minor trend. Decision point 2, and this is where it starts getting interesting, because long trend gets tired. And that's exactly what Alphawavetrader method all about. But the beauty and magic of the method, it don't matter to me what I trade. If it's oil 13 or if it's euro daily, all of the levels I project very far in advance. For example, this levels on euro from reading pure price had been projected since May 23rd, and you can very clearly see all these levels on our Facebook page. I post them regularly and I look forward analyzing instruments of your choice. But pay attention what has happened with the price when price reached decision point 1, the exhaustion of the minor trend. Why is this so critical to know this level? This is ultimate resistance level. This is where price decides, do I want to become major? Do I want to remain minor? And as you could see very clearly, 4 days price struggled, blasted through, and this is where it gets fascinating. This is precisely why I named these levels danger zone levels, because this is where price does two things. either bearish correction, which it had done at danger zone 1 and initially danger zone 2, and then it staged magnificent reversal. Inception of the bearish trend with vengeance on June 20th. As you could see, everything incredibly precise, and once again, it doesn't matter if it's Euro Daily, if it's Apple Weekly, or if it's, for example, the trade we had taken in our trading room, NASDAQ 13 range. From 2908.75 today, what has happened with my long trend on NASDAQ? Price became incredibly exhausted and collapsed. And that's how price moves. When I think of the price, I think of the price as incredibly bad-looking girl that everybody ignores until the moment she starts speaking, and then it becomes interesting because there is so much power and there is so much meaning in it. So how in the world did I come up to these conclusions? Though this is where it becomes interesting, and I will not bore you with my story. You can very easily pull it up under my story on the website. I simply traded for a long time. I burned a lot of money through multiple delayed indicators until one magnificent day I got fed up. I got sick and tired. I removed all the delayed fluff from my chart and magic had happened. So on that note, let's discuss and let's see what is wrong with indicators. Indicators is just like a gorgeous, beautiful girl, except she has no substance. She looks beautiful, stunning, magnificent, but the moment she starts speaking, ouch, it ain't exciting. It's pretty lagging. It's pretty delayed. So it looks so pretty to look on. It looks so exciting. But each and every indicator, in fact, is completely delayed, completely lagging. Each and every indicator simply tries to tell you what happened after the fact. But if you backtest the chart, it looks magnificent. But this is the meaning. This is the alphabet of the market. Price pattern is simple, pure, and clean. All you have to do is spend thousands of hours reading it. That's what I've done before I designed my method. So let's talk about MACDs. I use MACDs. I love MACDs. I did love MACDs until you get stuck in ranging markets. What is happening when you're stuck in ranging markets? For example, on ES, when market goes in consolidation, ouch. By the time you're supposed to take short, you're re-entering long, you get smashed in corrective structure and minor market structure. But if you know pure price, you know exactly where price will be exhausted, you know where to take reversals from, and you know where to expect very powerful support levels. All of these levels on ES were drawn at the market open today. Is this clear? In education course, we use range chart. I use any chart. I work with mentoring students, options, stocks, forex. I use anything. Everything you see in front of you, regular pattern. This is all I read. This is all I pay attention to. So there we go. So MACDs are fantastic, lovely, except when market is stuck in correction, like here, this when trouble begins. But in fact, if you know how to read the price, you would easily see this is fluff. This is what we call in the course flappuccino. If market gives you flappuccino, you go get cappuccino. This is simply stop line. So each and every time I take a trade, I show in the trading room the stop sign. So once again, if you would review the YouTube videos, it has multiple live examples from trading rooms. It's all very self-explanatory. So red line is a stop line, and these levels are Alphawavetrader proprietary Fibonacci levels. This is the levels I named accordingly after years of studying pure price. And it doesn't matter what we trade, if it's range chart, if it's monthly, weekly, and that's when the fun will begin, when I will be answering your questions very shortly. Yes, nobody had given it to me. I developed these levels myself through very, very long time. No, it's a freebie, it's a tool, it's free tool on every single platform that has price. Nobody sells any indicators here. It's free. It's all based on reading pure price. It's a free tool on NinjaTrader under Fibonacci levels. Freebie on every platform. Is that clear?
Connection lost.
So do your charts look like this? Are your charts cluttered by endless indicators? What's happening with the price? Where did the price go? Poor price, each and every indicator is showing only what price did after the fact, but poor price is completely cluttered by delayed flashy indicators. Arrows that look so simple, so easy. So what happens if you spend years using this? Do you know anything about the markets? Breaks my heart when I have traders who come to me who had been trading for 20 years and say, ouch, I know nothing about the price. So that's why it is so crucial to understand. This is the alphabet on the market. Price tells you the inception of the trend. Price shows you levels of exhaustion. Price shows you where to take profit of the table. All you have to do is pay attention to price and magic happens. So years and years of reading pure price, I developed my method, and that's all I trade and that's all I teach. So this is exactly what you see in our trading room. No unnecessary variables, pure price action, pure price. This is what I do each and every day. And each and every day it becomes so much easier to trade. This is #1 requirement in Alphawavetrader course. It is indicator detox course. If you're interested in learning pure price, let go of indicators. Believe that pure price is magic, and you'll be amazed. If one thing you learn here, I highly recommend remove all the indicators, spend time with pure charts, and you'll be amazed how far your trading will go. Because nothing in this world is random. Nothing. And in just a second, we'll find out why. What is Fibonacci? Fibonacci is truly magical sequence that surrounds everything around us. Look in the mirror. Did you ever wonder why human body, why human face has such a perfect symmetry? Why is nature so perfectly symmetrical? Why is music, ocean waves, dance, animals, trees, flowers, why are they so symmetrical? It is exact identical formula, golden ratio, that applies to price structure. And that's exact formula I apply when I look on my levels. Pay attention to these levels, all drawn on oil 1 hour on June 26. On June 26, I clearly knew where decision point 1, the end of the minor trend, will be. As you could see on our YouTube channel, we had absolutely magnificent day yesterday on oil. It was phenomenal. It was fantastic. It was insane to see the power of these levels. This was the 167 tick short we took to the downside on 2 trades. And then I instructed everybody to go long again to this level. And pay attention to what happened at decision point 1. This is the most critical level in your trading. And again, the formula remains the same. It doesn't matter if you trade Apple monthly, if you trade range chart, tick charts, stocks, whatever you trade that has price, formula remains the same. This is, if you trade 1 hour chart, your first target. This is the end of the minor trend. So if you know how to read the pure price, you know where to take profits off the table because incredible selling pressure is waiting. Oil struggled the entire night to blast through this level. Very powerful short formations multiple times. And here's decision point 2, endless fluff. And then we took this fantastic, amazing, awesome long. Very, very critical to trade between the levels, never into these levels. And all you need is pure price to know where these levels are. It is a fib level that you learn in the course. We teach you how to use properly pure price action and how to apply Fibonacci levels. So once again, Darth traders, I spelled out, let's do this exercise again. Decision point 1 is resistance level. It's the end of the minor trend. So on oil, on this structure, we had very powerful long from 94.50 area. On 94.50, this is where you take profits off the table. This is your ultimate resistance, the end of the minor trend. This is where trend decides, do I want to become major or do I want to remain minor? Is this clear? So I monitor the price formation and I had taken short and shown on YouTube video, all the videos done live in our trading room. It's easy to pull up. It's the video prior to the last one. You can see it live. Is that clear? So it doesn't matter to me what I trade. This is end of minor trend. In this long example, it's my first target, and here I short because price told me that it's incredibly exhausted. Here's my decision point 2. I know better not to enter into this level, and this is where I took long from, only for price to get exhausted when it reached danger zone. That's why I precisely named this level a danger zone level. Yes, danger zone is trend exhaustion level. You absolutely take short if you know how to obey 4 rules for entry. And there we go. So there are so many traders who are terrified of golden ratio. It looks so complicated, but in fact, it is incredibly simple. Very, very simple. And right now I see that the charts froze and are not moving. Yes, so on occasion this happens, which means I have to stop for 1 second because Amnovia just froze. I have to log out, guys, and log back in. Let's try this again.